Hi, my dear friends. I hope you all are doing fine. In this, we will going to show you. As you can see, there is a one app is there. This we have been. This is our customer app for the 20 testers. We got it. So every day we get a 20 testers, and there is a new policy of the feedback also from the users. So most of users say, sir, you only write the 20 testers, or we will going to, some customer says that they will going to provide the 20 tester feedback. So today I will going to show you how you can able to generate your 20 tester. As you can see, we will going to test your app in the real device, but this same mail id it has in my mobile, and it has in my system also. So I can able to very easily I can able to see. For your explain, I have been using this mail id in my pc also. So to show you, this is in the tester also, this mail id is there. If you can see, we use only real mobile devices. So some people say, sir, why you are showing in this? Because we will test it out app whether it's showing live or not, any error in the link or whichever the google has been sent. So we will test it out in that. So if it is anything like that, we will going to do that. So this is the app. So as you can see, this is like in a task app with the playing the games and everything. So we will going to get the feedback. As you can see, there is a no feedback right now here because this app is under review for the 20 testers. So right now we have been completed 10 days. So we will going to do, we will going to get it, the feedbacks from this, whether how we can able to write from the chat gtp. So we'll come on in the chat gtp, and we will write it here. Give me the, we will write it, hi, can you give me the 15 feedback of this, of, copy the link, and feedback of this app uh, for the google play play store. So as you can see, I written the comment here, saying that, hi, can you give me the 15 feedbacks on this application link and app for the google play console. Let me see if the chat gtp can able to give me the 15 feedback of this app, so we can able to copy paste over there. It's in the directly access, go back to scroll down on a review. We will chat, this section is not working the command, so we will try it in other way. uh, Give me the best top 10 reviews for this app. Give me the best top generated, gr generated. uh, Please give me the best top 10 generated 10 review for the, give me the best generated top generated 10 reviews for this app. Let me check whether we will going to give the any feedback here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So Just give me the just give me the writing reviews for this app. Okay, just give me the writing reviews for this app. So we got it here, some reviews. You need to do the experiment, or based on that you will going to get this kind of a stuff. So here see, you can see here, just not just give me the writing reviews for this app I have been mentioned. So sure, so we got a government app, and I absolutely love this app. I'm playing it smoothly, top notch. This is a recommendation, we got it. So these are the reviews. Based on these reviews you can able to send to the customers, or you can able to write it on your app. So it may be a review for that, so it will be very easy for you. Don't write it exactly 20, just write it 10 or 15 or 5, it's enough for you. So as per the reference I have given to you, if you feel that really helpful, you can able to generate the feedback and you can able to write it. Okay, I hope you really like it. I try to show the live, so I don't do the any editing like those kind of stuff. So you people think that, sir, we had it editing, we does not understand. So we whatever the things that I will make, try to show the raw file to you. No editing will be there. So I hope really you like my video. If you really like our video, please like and subscribe. And if you need a 20 tester service, we provide the 20 tester service for you also. Let us know if you need any 20 tester service. Just go in the reset infotech website, and you can say there is a 20 tester services tab. You can see here is a 20 tester services we provide for you, and these are the prices. Whatever you want the service, let us know. Just order it if you need any service. So I hope you really like our video. So if you need any kind of help, please let us know. Thank you so much.